Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a job, water-fed pole, just a different technique than we normally use. So these are sets of 3, truly divided in the middle seams here. It's a very flat frame that's in between them. So we kind of do what we call up clean. So we'll clean this bottom one first. We'll move up to the top one, and then we'll clean that third one. So as we're cleaning that first one, as we move up to the second one, that bottom one's getting rinsed. So then we'll move over. We'll start at the bottom, give that a scrub. You can see I'm using an 18-inch brush. It's an 18-inch window. So it eliminates, I can get this in like one pass. And that's good, right there. Bottom, started at the bottom, up clean. Now that I'm doing this, it's rinsing that lower window. Now that I'm doing that third one, it's rinsing the bottom 2 windows. Give it a second to rinse all of them there, and then repeat it. Just a completely different technique than what we're used to using, but it's because we're adapting with the type of windows we're at. Different technique, water-fed pole. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.